Okay, so good morning, sir. This is my midterm project in enterprise architecture, and the organization that I chose is the logistics company. So basically, this logistics company is all about handling the movement, storage, and delivery of goods from suppliers to customers. But the problem is, manual pa po yung system nila, like spreadsheets and paper logs. Kaya ang result is delayed deliveries, wrong stock counts, and hindi coordinated yung fleet schedule nila. So, the goal of this project is to automate everything using the three systems, which is the fleet management system, delivery tracking system, and warehouse management system. So, this one is in charge of all the company vehicles. So, sinasabi po ng fleet management system na in charge po sila sa company vehicles. It helps also manage the vehicle scheduling, maintenance tracking, and driver assignments. So basically, para siguradong ayos yung kondisyon ng mga trucks bago gamitin for delivery. With automated they can less time, reduce repair costs, and make sure everything's efficient. So this is my BPMN po. Basically, this BPMN diagram shows kung paano po nagfo-flow yung buong business process from customer orders up to reporting and management system. Parang step-by-step story siya ng system operations. So, first po is the customer orders and payments. So, dito po lahat nagsisimula. Si customer magpe-place ng order, then the system records the order, checks stock and kung available yung item, and it goes to payment processing and sending the order to the warehouse. Pero kung out of stock po, the system will notify the customer. And then next is the warehouse management system. Once na na-receive ni warehouse yung order, they will check the inventory po. Tapos kung may stocks, they prepare and pack the goods. And also they will update the stock records at isasend po yung delivery. If wala naman po, the system notifies the ordering system para updated po yung lahat. So, next po is the delivery tracking system, which is the dispatch and proof of delivery. Dito po pinaprocess yung delivery. So, the system receives delivery details, assigns a driver, and tracks it records proof of delivery and notifies the customer. Pero kung hindi pa siya delivered, it updates delay status. So just like po sa Shopee, if kapag nag-order tayo, for example, ako po kinancel ko po yung order ko. So makikita po doon sa notification ni customer na kinancel ko po yung order ko na yun. So next po is the fleet management system, which is the vehicle and maintenance logs. So dito mina-manage po yun ng dito po mina-manage ang vehicles and drivers. So the system assigns vehicle and driver, monitors the trip and checks kung may maintenance na kailangan po. If yes po, yung schedule maintenance. If not, continue tracking. So after ng trip, send trip report to finance. So punta na po yan sa billing and expense tracking. The system receives order and delivery data, creates invoice and checks kung payment received. And if yes, record payment and generate daily report. If not, send payment reminder. Tapos the integration and report. Lahat ng data from different systems, orders, warehouse, delivery, and billing are collected and combined. So, the system analyzes the information po, generates reports and dashboards, and shares them with the management. So, in short po, the BPM shows the whole business workflow from order to delivery, billing, and reports para smooth and automated ang process between the customer, warehouse, and delivery finance and management systems. So we come now to the ERD po. So basically, it shows how different parts of the warehouse and delivery system are connected to each other. So warehouse, dito po nakastore yung mga products. Meron siyang warehouse ID, which is the unique ID, location, and the capacity. Then the product, ito yung mga items na nasa warehouse, may product ID, product names, stock quantity, and reorder level kung kailan kailangan i-restock. Then may foreign key siya na warehouse ID para alam kung saan warehouse naka-assign. Next po is the stock movement. Parang log ito ng movement ng products. Like, kung naglabas or nagpasok ng stocks, may movement ID, product ID, movement type, in or out po, quantity, remarks, at date. So, next po is we have the delivery. Dito nakalagay details ng delivery process, may delivery ID, order reference, tapos nakalink siya sa driver ID, vehicle ID, at warehouse ID. Meron din siyang delivery status, delivery date, at proof of delivery. So next po sa proof of delivery, ito po yung proof na na-receive talaga ni customer ang items. May proof of delivery ID, proof of delivery image, customer signature at receive date. And then sa vehicle, dito nakalista lahat ng vehicles used for delivery. May vehicle ID, plate number, type, status, last maintenance date, at next maintenance date. Next po si driver, para sa mga driver po yan. So they have their info, may driver ID, name, license number, at contact number. Sa maintenance log naman po, record ng vehicle maintenance, may maintenance ID, vehicle ID, date and type of service, cost, tsaka remarks. So this ERT po shows the flow of operations from managing products in the warehouse, tracking their stock movements, assigning deliveries to drivers and vehicles, and ensuring delivery proof and maintenance logs are properly connected.